In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ringcentral account. Whether you're on a desktop or using your phone's browser, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through each part so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your web browser and head to the Ringcentral sign-up page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a page that says something like, "Let's set up your account." The buttons you're looking for may say, "Sign up," "Try free," or "Get started," depending on the version of the page you're seeing. They all take you to the same place, so go ahead and click the option you have. Next, choose how you want to begin. Most people will start with an email address, though you may also see the option to sign in with Google. Enter the required details, your name, email, and a strong password. A good password uses a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and isn't reused from another site. If there are terms or privacy notices, take a moment to review them before continuing. Using a work email can be helpful if you're setting this up for business use, but a personal email works too. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a welcome or activation message from Ringcentral. Open it and click the activation link to confirm your account. If you don't see it right away, look in your spam or promotions folder and give it a minute or two. Still nothing? Use the resend option on the sign-up page to trigger a fresh email. Once your account is activated, log into Ringcentral with the email and password you just set up. You may be prompted to complete a few basics. This can include confirming your password if it wasn't finalized earlier, creating a voicemail PIN, and reviewing security settings. Pick a PIN that's memorable but not easy to guess, and consider enabling extra security features if they're offered. You'll also want to select the correct country, time zone, and other regional settings so your calls, messages, and timestamps align with your location. That's it. Your Ringcentral account is ready. From here, you can explore the dashboard at your own pace. If anything looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Ringcentral occasionally updates labels, but the flow remains the same. Thanks for watching, and enjoy getting started with your new account.